Jeff, we're going to Guayaquil. And we have this exec jet going to Houston, Texas. Oh, this is the big boy. We got the big boy coming our way. The big Canadian. Here comes the traffic jam. Traffic jam coming our way. Let's jet beat the traffic jam. Early rotation.